What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this one I'm going to talk about the C1X, a little update blog. Super73 had their launch event almost 2 weeks ago, and I've been watching some videos and just reading up on what they said, and yeah, I just want to talk about it here on the channel, get a conversation myself, and see where we take it. They got some pretty cool updates in my opinion, so let's get into it. Alright, so Super73 had their launch event a couple weeks ago, like I said, and they brought out some new bikes, which I made a video on that, and I'll put a card here on this video so you can go check out my thoughts on those new bikes, which are pretty cool, by the way. But they also talked about the C1X, and well, the C1X, we got a little more concrete feedback from them. Well, according to Super73, they are on their way to meet their goal of the bike being 80 plus miles an hour, which is pretty cool. So according to them too, it's going to be highway capable, so that's super dope, man. I mean, hey, get it on the highway, get it up to speed. Yeah, this is going to be a fully electric bike, motorcycle style. Another thing that I didn't see them talking about on the videos is how long you're going to be able to maintain 80 miles per hour riding. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 miles of your ride. We don't know yet, and we don't have specifics for that. So let's sit tight and we'll see what they say. Alright, so it seems like when it comes to range anxiety, that's a main point that they've been working on, and well, according to them, you're gonna be able to do about 100 miles per charge distance, 100 miles distance. So that's pretty decent, man, you know, in my opinion. They did say in the video that they are going to have a different version of the C1X that it's possibly going to be 100 plus mile range. Pretty dope in my opinion, but we've yet to see pricing for all these things that they talked about. So Super73 did say that they will be sending out more surveys if you place your $73 for the reservation. So do expect those surveys, so that way you can provide more feedback to the company. We'll see what they have now. I've done the last survey they had, or the surveys they've sent out so far, because I do have my $73 down payment, but so I'm interested in the bike. I want to see what the bike is going to do. So another thing, the bike is going to come with 15-inch wheels and a minimum seat height of 31 inches. So very similar with the CX and the RX. So that should be a fairly easy transition if you are already riding a Super73 e-bike. I did see in that video that there will be more options for accessories for this bike, including for fenders. I know, I think this is something that they're going to push quite a bit. So we'll see what else they can come up with. It'll be fun to see what kind of things you can do to this bike. Maybe you can add like a basket on the back, or you know, a surfboard. Very nice of her. So yeah, so we'll see if they can add like a rack on the back, or maybe Well, someone's doing some self-love videos there. Well, like I was saying, we'll see if they can add a rack on the back, or maybe like they did to the Super 73 e-bikes, where you can take a surfboard on the side of your bike. We'll see what kind of accessories they bring out. The options for accessories will be definitely unlimited, depending what they want to do, what people request. We'll see. It'll be fun to see the transition of these bikes. And last but not least, man, the only mention on pricing was that they are waiting to see what the market is doing. I looked at some different articles, and some of the bikes that compared to the Super 73 C1X, so a smaller size motorcycle, electric motorcycle, the prices range between 8,500 to like 10,000. So if I had to guess, I would say Super 73 is gonna keep the pricing to about the same for the 100-mile bike, and probably 9,500 to 10 grand for the 100+ mile range bike. But yeah, that's just my thoughts on it. That's just on the research that I did. That's what I would think that they're gonna price it at. They did say that if you can afford a regular motorcycle, you can afford a C1X. So yeah, I wouldn't put it past 10K, but we'll see. We'll see. Let's go. All right, well, that was the info that I got from the videos, whatever Super 73 released on the C1X. I'm still interested. You know what? I almost forgot. Probably one of the main things that they related to us was the charge time. Okay, so there was a big talk on that, and the example they gave is, you know, you ride your bike to a coffee shop, you have your coffee, and leave your bike charging, and by the time you come back, you're good to go for, you know, X amount of miles now again. And well, the biggest thing on that is that the bike charge up to 80% in 15 minutes. I mean, that was pretty amazing news. Wow, I was shocked with that, because 80% in 15-minute charge. I mean, hey, that means you can ride, I don't know, yeah. And I'm thinking, wow, I guess 75 to 80 mile range for the real world, someone who weighs up to 300 pounds, which is, I think, what the bike is going to be able to carry, the max weight. And so I would say about 75 to 80 miles per charge you can go. And I mean, you can get down, like they said, have a coffee, leave it charging, come back out, you're back up to 80% charge, or 80% more of what you started, or what you left it at, I guess. But wow, yeah, that was a lot. Anyways, so yeah, I mean, I think it's pretty cool, it's pretty dope. I mean, that was the best thing, one of the best news that from what they've been working on. So that's pretty cool from the Super 73 team, the engineers that are working on these bikes. Man, it'll be dope to see the final result, what we get in the end. So let's hope, let's keep our fingers crossed for even better improvements to the bike. All right, guys, well, I appreciate you sticking around for another video. We made it to the end. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, drop a like, and don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate everyone that has been subscribing to the channel. We hit our goal of 225 subs. Let's go 500, let's go 1,000, let's go infinite. How about that? Thanks again, guys, for watching. Until next time, peace.